The truth is, drugs kill. They take and they take and they take from us till there's nothing left. If you're sober or you have an opportunity to get sober, I suggest you take it. People are dying every single day. I can't tell you how many of my close friends, acquaintances that are dead from overdoses, from that lifestyle. If you're addicted to opioids like I was, there's a very slim chance that you're gonna make it through addiction alive. The chances are that your addiction is gonna kill you. That's why, for me, I have to stay grateful. I'm grateful I'm in recovery. I'm grateful I'm sober. I'm grateful I'm not shooting dope, smoking crack, popping pills, smoking K2. I am so grateful I am not living that lifestyle. My recovery is precious. My recovery is the base backbone for every other thing in my life. If I didn't have my recovery, I wouldn't have a girlfriend, we wouldn't have a car, we wouldn't have a house, I wouldn't have pets running around. I would be homeless, I would be in the streets, I'd be robbing, stealing. I'm grateful to be sober and to be where I am today. And I'll be the first one to tell you, recovery, it's not easy. It's not gonna be a walk in the park. It's gonna be hard, probably the hardest thing you ever do. But if you don't give up, you stay dedicated to yourself. You keep taking action, consistent action, every single day. You'll see things will start to change in your life. You'll be able to navigate things that you used to run away from. You'll start to face your issues, face your fears. And over time, you'll eventually reach your full potential and become the person that God intended you to be. But nothing's gonna happen unless you put down the drugs and alcohol. You accept that you have a problem, and you gotta ask for help. We can't do this recovery shit alone. I tried countless times to stay sober by myself. It never worked. I had to get support, I had to get God in my life, and I had to start living my life by some spiritual principles. If you're sober, cherish your sobriety. And if you're still in the grips of addiction, I just want you to know that recovery is definitely possible. Listen, if I can get sober, anybody in this world can get sober. So, stay positive. Remember, your destiny is in your hands by the actions you take and the attitude you have. We gotta make better decisions. We gotta choose recovery. We gotta be selfish about our recovery. And once we put down the drugs and alcohol, that's when the real work begins. We start to take a look at ourselves and the people we were and the people we want to become. And then with the support of other people, we can become different people. We can stay sober. We can truly have a life beyond our wildest dreams. And I hate that saying, but it's God's absolute truth. You stay sober, keep doing the right thing, you can have a life way beyond your wildest dreams. You can have anything in this world, but you gotta get sober and you gotta keep doing the right thing, no matter what. Even when nobody's looking. Stay positive, stay blessed, and make it a great day. You have that power. Let's get it, baby.